If you're looking for the best portable fish finder, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit. This is a popular portable fish finder unit from Garmin. It features the smallest model in the new Striker series, the Striker 4. That unit is a chirp sonar-only depth finder with no imaging and internal GPS but no map capability. If you want a better fish finder as part of your portable setup, it's best to buy the unit you want and then buy the portable fishing kit as an accessory. The kit is compatible with Striker 4, 5, and 7 models, as well as 4-inch and 5-inch EchoMap chirp units. This way you can mount the fish finder and transducer to your boat most of the time, and when you want to take it somewhere else, you have the portable kit with transducer ready to go. Number 2. Garmin Striker 4 with transducer. We're getting things started with an incredibly popular choice, and one which we've nominated as our best choice. It's the Garmin Striker 4 and is currently their smallest model from the range. It features a chirp sonar and is reasonably affordable too. What you're really interested in though is its technical capacity, and while it doesn't include a maps function, there's plenty to love about this device. It works on chirp dual sonar frequency and can handle water depths of up to 1,660 feet in fresh water and 750 feet in salt water. It operates on high-precision internal GPS, as you would expect from Garmin, and can deliver 2 conical beams to pinpoint a wider surface area when detecting fish underwater. Number 3. Deeper Pro Plus Smart Sonar GPS Portable Wireless Wi-Fi Fish Finder. Deeper Pro Plus Smart Sonar is one of the most versatile and impressive portable fish finders available on the market right now. It's been designed to offer a range of tech options that aren't offered by other fish finders, and it brings them together in an aesthetically pleasing package. It has a range of built-in features that really make it stand out as one of the top fish finders out there right now. It casts up to 330 feet and scans down to 260 feet, offering you a level of performance you won't be disappointed by. Number 4. Humminbird HELIX 5 Fish Finder. The Piranha Max 4 PT is just like the bigger HELIX 5 PT, just with a smaller, simpler Piranha Max 4 unit. This is a sonar-only unit, no GPS, no maps, just 200 455 kHz 2D sonar. It's a pretty decent, cheap, portable option if you don't care about maps or GPS. Castable fish finders have become quite popular with bank fishermen, especially since the popularization of smartphones and apps. What you might not know is Humminbird made a castable fish finder called SmartCast years before smartphones came around. SmartCast use RF signals to communicate to a small grayscale display that could be held on your rod or as a wristwatch. Number 5. Key Portable Fish Finder Transducer Sonar Sensor 147 Feet Water Depth Finder LCD Screen Echo Sounder Fish Finder. This castable fish finder will offer you 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge and is suitable for fresh and saltwater fishing. It casts far and scans deep. The Lucky FF718 LIC fish finder offers a very good casting range, and that's obviously one feature that's really important when you're buying a fish finder. There's no castable sonar that has a better range than this one. It's pretty easy to pick up the Lucky FF718 LIC fish finder and start using it right away. That's because the device has been designed as one that's suitable for entry-level users. It's definitely one thing that makes this device stand out. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.